What if the steel supporting your world wasn't as strong as you believed? Bridges might collapse, buildings might deteriorate, and machinery might break down, all due to weak steel. That's why testing steel isn't just important, it's necessary. Steel undergoes intense testing to ensure it will endure. The first step in the testing process involves visual inspection for surface defects such as cracks or rust. Dimensional testing is then used to confirm that the steel meets precise specifications. Then comes testing chemical composition. The ideal ratio of carbon, manganese, and other constituents provides strength and flexibility. But figures don't lie. Mechanic tests such as the tensile test measure how much tension steel can tolerate before it ruptures. The bend test gauges flexibility. The impact test gauges against shock, while the hardness test gauges wear resistance. For practical usability, fatigue tests mimic repeated strain, and non-destructive examinations such as ultrasonic scans and X-rays pin down concealed blemishes without destroying the substance. Steel undergoes corrosion resistance tests to determine how resistant it is to extreme environments. Trust Growever for high-quality, rigorously tested steel you can rely on.